Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about something that is a bit disappointing when it comes to quality of Mercedes-Benz. You all know I really love my SLC43 AMG and I really love the interior, but there's something that's a bit disappointing with the quality. Let me show you what I mean. Here we have the glove box, and here we have the trim coming away. Quite disappointing. Now, I have to say that I've gone online and seen that this is quite a regular occurrence. Many people blame it on the heat, the sun causing the glue or whatever it is to come away and let this then come away from the actual casing. I live in the UK. We hardly get any sun here. It can't be to do with heat, but what it is to do with is really bad quality workmanship. Anyway, this is something I want to fix. So I'm thinking using some glue, Gorilla Glue possibly, squirt it in there, get it together, and then use clamps to keep it in place for 24 hours to see if that solves it. So that's what this video is going to be. Me trying to glue this back. Wish me luck. So here I have my glue. Got a piece of wood which we're going to use this side with a nice cloth so that it doesn't dirty up my dash, and we got a couple of these clamps to try and keep it in place. So let's give this a go. Let's see what we can do to make this better. Seems like this very top bit needs the glue on it. I'm pulling him. Here goes, guys. Wish me luck. Put a bead all the way along. Didn't mean to get it at the top bit there. We'll have to wipe that.
You said you felt it. You were in it. Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? I just wanna know. You got me wrong and I got you wrong. Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? I just wanna know.
Matt, we're pushing together now, and this is where we use our clamps.
Baby, please listen to me. Please listen to me. I got you wrong. From the first moment I saw you, I knew I had to make you mine. Wanted to know everything about
And these little sides will need a bit more.
I didn't want to waste no time. What's something I can do for you, darling?
Right, we've got our little clamps here now.
I'll bring you flowers, girl, enough to see for miles. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow.
Wipe away this residue. Get some tissue.
My love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. I love your style, and I love your grace. Said I love to put a smile on your pretty little face. I love it when you're close to
Right,
me.
let's do the other side.
That's where I want you to always be.
That's now done. We're going to leave this all in place for 24 hours now. Want it to properly dry and then clean it up. And hopefully that's our trim piece back in place. As I say, it's quite disappointing that this happens. But hey ho, at least we're going to try and fix it now. So we'll come back in 24 hours. See you then. Okay, it's the next morning, so let's see how this now looks. We'll take off the clamps and see if it's stuck well.
Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure.
So we have got the white showing, but we can deal with that. But more importantly, yes, it's now fixed it and it's stuck, which is great news.
Is always yours.
Wanna clear a bottle of Cabernet. Wanna stay home, not even drink. Wanna get out of my own head.
Okay, job complete. Very happy with it. As you can see, it's now fixed back in place. You can see some slight residue of the white glue, but I can live with that. I mean, at the end of the day, it's stuck and it's in place. And when you close it, you don't see it anyway. So I would say, guys, that is job done. See you on the next video, guys.